Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use AI Live Transcription on Samsung Galaxy A17. In the beginning, the fastest way to do it is by going to Settings and adding Live Transcription shortcut to home screen. In Settings, search for Live Transcription or go to Accessibility Settings. Go to Live Transcribe and add shortcut. Next, simply open Live Transcribe and tap on the center of the screen to start transcription. Now, the screen and AI is checking what I'm talking and saving it on the screen. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.